Welcome back to OASIS, the Oversized Access State Interstate System. This video will guide you through the height surveys. A height survey is a document that the trucking company signs attesting they are able to safely navigate the route with the load weight and dimensions stated in the permit application. If the vehicle and load dimensions exceed a height of 13 feet 8 inches, a height survey for the trip will be required and the survey must be signed and the form submitted to MassDOT for approval. Generally, the company user will create the route for the height survey and print the height survey form. Height surveys can be submitted one of two ways. First, I will show you how to submit the height survey through the OASIS system. Click Next on the Vehicle Load page to bring up the routing screen. The height inspection box will pop up for you to either enter your height survey number if one has already been issued, or to start a new route for the height survey. Since this is the first permit requiring a height survey, click Enter a Route. Enter your routing information. For this example, I am going to load one of the previously saved trips and generate a route heading northbound at the I-91 Connecticut border to the I-91 Vermont border. Click the Validate and Run button to generate your route. Review your route and driving directions and make changes as needed. Please note that making any changes will require you to click the Validate and Run button again. Click the Next button to bring up the permit fee summary screen. Review all information, ensuring that it is correct. Click the Create Height Survey button to complete the process. You should receive a confirmation screen showing that the height survey was created. From here, you can either print the height survey, start a new permit, or return to the customer dashboard. You can print the height survey from the dashboard at a later time as well. Please note that the route should be driven to verify that it can safely be navigated by the vehicle and load described on the permit application. If the load can be safely navigated, have an authorized person complete the height survey form and sign the signature page. Once the height survey has been created, reviewed, signed, and all information has been correctly entered, it must be uploaded to OASIS. Once submitted, it will go into a queue to await approval. Please note that you should have the completed and signed height survey form and all supporting documentation saved to your computer and ready to upload. Return to your dashboard to upload your height survey. Click the Height Surveys link in the administrative panel on the left side of your dashboard to pull up your height survey list. Scroll down until you find the number of the height survey on which you are working. Click the Upload link next to the height survey number that corresponds to the height survey. Please note that the completed and signed height survey form, height survey, and all supporting documentation must be uploaded. The height survey will not be approved without a signature. Click the Browse button to locate the required documents on your computer. Select the appropriate file, click Open, and then click Upload to upload the height survey. The height survey screen will reappear, and the View column will now show a document icon next to the height survey number. The document icon confirms the documents have successfully been uploaded. The height survey is now awaiting approval from a MassDOT agent. To manually submit a height survey, create a new permit. Once on the routing screen, select Enter a Route. Once you have a system-generated route, you will need to check the box above the map that says, "I have a problem with the route and would like it reviewed." Enter the route information in the field provided to submit the permit for a manual route review. Click the Next button to go to the permit fee summary page. If you have your third-party height survey, you can choose to upload this and all supporting documentation now by clicking on the Permit Documents link at the top of the screen. Select the type of document. For this one, since we're doing a height survey, we're going to select Route Survey. Click the Browse button to browse your computer for the height survey form. You must enter a title, and you can enter a description if you choose to do so. Click Upload, and then you can submit the permit for approval. Close the document box, review your application information and make sure everything is correct, and click Submit to submit it to a MassDOT agent. Once the height survey has been approved, you will be able to complete and submit the permit application. Find your permit ID number on your dashboard. Click the Select link under the Action column to resume your permit. Click Next until you come to the routing page. Once on the routing page, The height survey number will automatically generate in the height survey number box. Click the Validate number to validate the trip, and review your trip and your driving directions. Click Next to go to the permit fee summary page. Again, review everything and make sure all of your application information is correct. Clicking Submit will allow you to pay for and issue the permit. You will be able to use the height survey again for the same route, for vehicles with the same or smaller dimensions, and within a set number of days of the height survey's initial approval. The number of days the height survey is valid is determined by Mass DOT. Once the height survey form has been received and approved, users are able to issue permits using this height survey. The height survey is good for a time period determined by Mass DOT from the date a Mass DOT agent approves the route or when a new restriction makes the route unusable. The height surveys link in the administrative panel on the company dashboard will give you access to all height surveys created. This concludes the OASIS user tutorial video on height surveys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.